that defined them. Today is one such moment for the Equity Group, moving from 1 trillion shillings to 1.3 trillion shillings in a span of a year. 300 billion shillings balance sheet growth. Customer deposits have increased from 740 billion to 959 billion, a growth of 29%. The expansion of deposit driving the growth of the balance sheet has made Equity emerge the largest bank in Kenya and the largest bank in the region in all respects: balance sheet, profitability, market capitalization, and customer base.